Hello guys, Patrick here. Welcome back to another video where we learn Chinese through headlines. Today's headline is 猫在洗衣机里洗了2分钟才被发现。猫在洗衣机里洗了2分钟才被发现。Let's break it down step by step and understand the language, grammar, and cultural context behind it. I mean, there's no cultural context behind it. So the first part, 猫在洗衣机里，猫在洗衣机里。This means a cat inside the washing machine. The structure 在 something 里 means inside something. For example, 我在房间里 I'm in the room. Yeah, 在 something 里。Next part, 洗了2分钟，洗了2分钟。This means washed for 2 minutes. 洗 means to wash, and 2分钟 means 2 minutes. 洗了2分钟。Next part, 才被发现，才被发现。So 才, this means was only discovered. 才 is used after a duration to emphasize that the time felt long or that something happened later than expected. For example, 我做了2个小时才做完。我做了2个小时才做完。我做了2个小时才做完。Yeah, that's how we use 才。And 被发现，被发现 is a passive structure, meaning was discovered. Yeah. So putting it all together, 猫在洗衣机里洗了2分钟才被发现。Translation, the cat was washed in the washing machine for 2 minutes before it was discovered. Okay, this headline is wild. How does a cat even end up in a washing machine? I mean, if you're loading laundry, wouldn't you notice a cat crawling in? And the cat stayed in there for 2 whole minutes. Luckily, the cat survived, but still, this is crazy. Speaking of crazy, this reminds me of a Chinese laundry detergent ad I saw a few years ago. It was something else. In the ad, a Chinese girl flirts with an African guy, then suddenly stuffs a laundry detergent ball into his mouth, throws him into the washing machine, and sits on the lid. After a few minutes, a fair-skinned Chinese guy comes out smiling. Yeah, I know, it's not funny at all. It's actually really problematic. I strongly condemn this kind of ad because it's essentially promoting ethnic cleansing. It's racist and it's unacceptable. Now I want to clarify that Chinese people are not inherent racist. In fact, they often treat foreigners better than locals. But this ad is a clear example of how some media can be insensitive to racial issues. Anyway, back to the headline. Both the cat story and the ad are just crazy. Let's hope neither happens again. Okay, let's have a short review. 在 something 里 meaning inside something. 才 to indicate the time felt long or happened later than expected. 被发现 passive structure, meaning was discovered. And 洗衣机 洗衣机 washing machine. The 洗衣机 洗 to wash, 衣 clothes, 机 machine 洗衣机 that's pretty straightforward, right? 洗衣机2分钟 2 minutes. So putting it all together, 猫在洗衣机里洗了2分钟才被发现。猫在洗衣机里洗了2分钟才被发现。Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. See you guys next time. Bye bye.